Matt Scratch here, and today I want to talk to you about your power tools and a quick tip for maintaining them and making them last much longer. Years ago I bought a really nice expensive Makita cordless drill, and I ended up using it to do a whole bunch of metal work, and I kind of carelessly left it on the floor while I was doing so, and I was using an angle grinder to grind some welds, and a lot of the sparks were going over the drill and stuff, and I really didn't think too much of it at the time, but that drill ended up failing fairly early in life, and I wanted to see what failed in it, so I took it all apart, and I was really impressed with how it was made, and I really became a big fan of Makita tools at that point because I found it was well constructed. And I also found that the reason it failed was all the metal dust had collected up and built up inside the drill. So from that point forward, I've always blown out my tools with an air gun, all my power tools. And so I'm just going to kind of show you how to do that. All these are kind of due for that. They've been dusty for a while, so first put on your dust mask, and also get some ear protection because it's quite loud with the air hissing through there. So you want to get in all the little vents everywhere. Get in around the trigger. Get around that switch. Anyways, you keep blowing in there, blow in every hole that you can get in. Make sure you blow around the power switches because dust builds up in the switches, and they make bad connection, and then the contacts wear out. You especially want to blow really good around this area because this is where your brushes are, where your armature is, and if you get a lot of grit in there, it wears it out. And so yeah, just keep blowing in them until all the dust comes out, until the air is coming out the other side clean. And if you don't have compressed air, you could use one of those air duster cans, but really if you don't have compressed air in your shop, you should get it. Go buy yourself a little used air compressor or whatever you got to do, at least so you can run a blowgun, bare minimum.